This is the 3-minute review brought to you by MB EDC. Let's not waste any more time, let's get to it. This is a Victorinox Bantam and it's the red ABS or Cellular version. It really is a cute knife, iconic really, in this lovely red Cellular. So let's have a look at some of the details. So looking at the dimensions, the width is 23 millimeters, which is just under an inch. The height is 11 millimeters, so that's a little bit short of half an inch, and the length is 84 millimeters, which is 3¼ inches. So it's a nice size. It's really light. It's 33 grams, which in ounces, I'll put that just here. And you can see it has the lovely shield of Victorinox on there. This version has the keyring, so that is the first of the 8 tools on here. Just looking at the scale tools first, we have the usual tweezers, which are great for getting out splinters or slivers, and we have the toothpick, which I don't use a lot. But then looking at the main blade, we have this lovely blade, the typical shape of the Victorinox knife. I'd call it a spear point. I'm sure it's got a different name. It comes really sharp. So the size of the blade is 5 millimeters or 2½ inches. It's got the usual Victorinox Swiss made stainless. So it has the inox and Officer Swiss on it. So let's look at the other tools. As you can tell, it's got a nice snap to it. When I say other tools, it is just the one tool, which is the combination tool. This has a 5 millimeter flathead. You can use the point as a Phillips in a pinch. It is a little bit awkward, but you can see in the video just here that it works quite well. Also, there's the can opener. And in this video here, you can see the can opener in action. It also has a wire stripper or bender as well. So it's really a full 4, potentially 5 tools in one. Comparing this to the Alox Bantam, you can see it's nearly twice the thickness, although the overall size seen from the side is the same. Of course, it does have the scale tools. So that's a Bantam. It doesn't take too long to go around it. It's a cracking knife, really light, fits in the 5th pocket as well. It really is a great minimalist tool. If you haven't got one, well, why not? The other thing is, if you live in the UK like me, then people never see these sorts of knives as threatening, so you can take them anywhere. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. That always helps the channel. If you haven't already, why not subscribe? It really helps me to know that I'm making the right sort of content. I've got loads more already. Why not check out this video or this playlist? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.